Welcome, Vaibhav sir. This is fourth day or for this Excel seminar. So welcome, and this is very good for join us 3 days, and this is fourth day. So let's continue it. Welcome, and over to you, sir.
Very good evening to one and all. I would like to thank CA Tarun Bansal for coming and inaugurating the session for the fourth day. And I hope all are enjoying the session, and the last 3 days are very much interesting for you. Was very much interesting for you all. Okay, abhi 3 more days here. Trust me, today I will be taking on if IFS and then various advanced function navigation, if or some IFS macros, real-time web data, reflection, macros, automation, and everything. These are some of the latest functions which I will be taking today. Tomorrow I will be taking on Power Pivot and Power Query, which are the advanced function. Day after tomorrow I will be starting for the Excel 365 dynamic array functions, XLOOKUP, and filter functions, and all dynamic array functions. So once again, I would like to thank you, CA Tarun Bansal, to thank you for inaugurating the session and enlightening the interest. And quickly, I will start with the today's session. I will sharing my screen right now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I hope my screen and my voice and everything is properly audible and clear.
Yes, sir.
The first
We are
function,
getting your screen on for the text calculation.
sorry.
We are getting your screen that is showing text calculation properly, and no issue.
Correct.
You can continue, sir.
Yeah. So today first function I will be taking for if an IFS function. If an IFS function, बहुत जनों को पता रहेगा. If function is very much useful. Okay, when there are two conditions, multiple conditions है, तो हम if करके जो formula है that we were using. If function is very much useful when you want to multiple conditions. But if function में limitation था, there was a limitation in if function that only two conditions we used to give. So there was a limitation wherein we want to give say multiple conditions, so 3 conditions, 4 conditions, 5 conditions. Then there was a limitation. To overcome that limitation, a new function known as IFS function was introduced by Excel. Okay, I guess IFS function is only available in Excel 2019 or higher versions. Okay, so many of you all being from a chartered accountancy fraternity, I don't have to explain you slab rates, new old वाले जो slab rates थे. Okay, this was option 1 and this was option 2. Okay, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो 2.5 to 5, 5 to 7.5, 7.5, and these are the rates of the rate of the taxes. Okay, and ये old वाले जो है ये भी यहाँ पे भी rate of the taxes मैंने यहाँ पे क्लियर किया है. So I have managed over here. मैंने यहाँ पे जो formula लगाया है IFS formula. Earlier what we used to do is we used to do if function. If में सिर्फ दो ही condition बैठते थे, उसके बाद और nested if, again nested if. But in IFS function, as you must be seeing over here, within one shot एक ही formula में you are able to count. Okay, there also there is a new scheme वाला जो है. Okay, यहाँ पे आप IFS function use करके here you can see you can calculate your tax amount within a seconds. You have to just type your taxable income. Okay, जैसे मैं यहाँ पे दिखाता हूँ. मैं suppose 5 लाख रुपए 5,10,000 डालता हूँ यहाँ पे. 50 लाख 10,000 5 लाख 1,000 समझो डालता हूँ यहाँ पे, तो टैक्स कितना आ रहा है? रिबेट तो नहीं मिलेगा 5 लाख के अंदर ही. दिस इज द टैक्सेबल इनकम एंड आई हैव शोन यू द डिफरेंस बिटवीन. ओके, सो सेम वे में in the same way I have shown here also. मैंने यहाँ पे क्राइटेरिया डिफाइन किया था. ओके, 90 to 100 रहेगा तो A ग्रेड, B ग्रेड, C, D, E, F ग्रेड. रिमार्क्स दिया एक्सेप्शनल, बेस्ट, ओके, पास, फेल भी दिया है. ओके, this is the chart. Okay, I have to give a ranking pass or fail. Okay, मैं यहाँ पे मुझे रैंकिंग देना है कि यहाँ पे पास होना है या फेल होना है। पास मतलब 60% तक जो है वहाँ पे आप पास होते हो, 60% एंड अबव के ऊपर जो है वहाँ पे आप पास होते हो, एंड 60% के नीचे जो है आप फेल होते हो। ओके, मैं यहाँ पे पहले ओल्ड वाला जो अपना कंडीशन था, ओल्ड वाला जो कंडीशन है, आई एम यूजिंग दैट कंडीशन राइट नाउ। एवरीवन विथ मी विथ 100% अटेंशन ओवर योर। ओके, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो मैं आई एफ इफ फॉर्मूला यूज कर रहा हूँ। if formula was very easy, and I am sure that each and every person attending my session right now, some or somewhere they must have used if function. Okay, if my percentage, I have to give link to the percentage is less than 60%. Okay, then it would be fail. I have to mention in double inverted commas, as I've told you earlier, that whenever we want to use, any we want to give any remark for Excel. Excel understands the language in double inverted comma only. Okay, I am highlighting over here fail, double inverted commas close, comma. ओके, मैंने एक कंडीशन यहाँ पे दी थी। ओके, इफ इट इज लेस देन 60 देन इट विल शो मी फेल, एंड इफ इट इज मोर देन और इक्वल टू 60 देन क्या, देन आई हैव टू शो इट एज ट्रू। ओके, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो ट्रू, फेल या ट्रू के बदले आई विल पास करता हूँ मैं यहाँ पे। ओके, फेल, यहाँ पे फेल, यहाँ पे पास हो गया, इट इज मोर देन 75%, मोर देन 99% ऑल्सो इट इज पास, 82 66%, यहाँ पे दो वाले जो थे यहाँ पे फेल आ गए। दिस वॉज वेरी इजी, इट वॉज वेरी इजी टू यूज, एंड यहाँ पे आप सब लोगों को पता है इट इज ओनली मल्टीपल कंडीशंस। ओके, दिस इज वेरी इजी। now what if I want to give gradings? Okay, a grade, b c d e f, टोटल 6 कंडीशन। बाप रे सर जी, कैसे करना है ये सर जी? वो if फंक्शन से तो होगा नहीं। इज देयर एनी solution for that? Yes, there is a solution। यहाँ पे आप solution कर सकते हो। here there is a function known as a very powerful, very wonderful function known as IFS function, one of the latest function and very important when there are multiple conditions. It is introduced, I guess it is introduced in Excel 2019 or higher versions. Trust me, most of you are still must not be knowing about IFS function, but IFS function बहुत ही काम करता है। I will show you the magic before it, uh, before explaining. Okay, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो IFS फंक्शन। IFS फंक्शन मैंने यहाँ पे यूज किया था। ओके, ग्रेटर देन 90, देन A ग्रेटर देन 80, देन B, देन C, देन D एंड गोज ऑन। ओके, मैं यहाँ पे इज इक्वल टू इफ IFS लॉजिकल टेस्ट 1, Excel is asking me logical test 1। ओके, if my percentage को मैं लिंक दे दूंगा is greater than 89 percentage। ओके, 89 परसेंटेज मतलब 90 है और अबव। ओके, वैल्यू इफ ट्रू मतलब 89% के ऊपर चला गया तो क्या दे रहा है रैंकिंग। ओके, ग्रेड क्या देना है, ए ग्रेड। सेकेंड वन, व्हाट इज द सेकेंड कंडीशन? इफ माय परसेंटेज इज ग्रेटर देन 79 percentage, then what is the grade? Grade will be B। third condition, if is greater than 69 percentage, then what is the grade? Grade will be C। उसके बाद if my percentage is greater than 59 percentage, then grade will be D, comma, if my percentage is greater than 49 percentage, then my grade, what if if B2 is greater than 89, then A, B2 is greater than 79%, that is B, B2 is greater than 69%, and it is C, B2 is greater than 59%. यहाँ पे कॉमा करना है, okay, then it is D, comma, if B2 is greater than 0%, then it is F. 0 किसी किसी को 0 भी आ सकता है, कोई क्वेश्चन पूछेगा सर 0 आया तो व्हाट इज दैट, ओके आई विल गिव ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू, ओके ऐसे भी कोई है जो जिसको 0 आता है तो वो भी बता देगा, ओके आई विल जस्ट कॉपी एंड पेस्ट, ओके लेट मी शो यू द मैजिक ओवर हियर, let us compare, okay 84% it is B, yeah it is correct, okay 33 F, okay 55 को भी यहाँ F आया, okay there is some issue, okay greater than 49 then E, और एक लॉजिकल टेस्ट आएगा, if B2 is greater than or equal to 0%, then it is F, okay control C control V, okay 55 यहाँ पे E आ गया, okay 75% में C करेक्ट है, 99% A, okay 82% is B, okay and 66%, 66 कहाँ पे है D, perfect this is the calculation, here you can see this is the calculation, here you can see यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो पूरा कैलकुलेशन आ गया, दिस इज द मैजिक ऑफ IFS फंक्शन। यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो मैंने रैंकिंग, मेरे रिमार्क्स को भी IFS वाला फॉर्मूला दिया था, अगर D20 is A grade then what is the remark, okay if it is B grade then what is the remark, C grade है तो क्या रिमार्क आ सकता है, okay exceptional, best, better, good, bad, very bad, यहाँ पे वेरियस रिमार्क्स मैंने यहाँ पे दिए डिपेंडिंग ऑन द कंडीशन, ओके यहाँ पे मेरे वेरियस रिमार्क्स भी दे दिए थे। Now I will show you over here what is the how we can use this while for calculation of tax, okay यहाँ पे IFS फंक्शन हम कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं फॉर कैलकुलेशन ऑफ टैक्स, ओके मैं यहाँ पे ये जो है डिलीट करता हूँ IFS function, okay if my taxable value is greater than 10 lakh then bracket open my taxable value minus 10 lakh into 0.30 plus 1,12,500, ये 1,12,500 how is this arrived from, you all being from CA fraternity आपको मालूम है how this 1,12,500 has come, okay logical test 2, if my taxable value is greater than 5 lakh then bracket open taxable value minus 5 lakh into 20% plus 12,500, लॉजिकल टेस्ट 3, लॉजिकल टेस्ट 3 क्या पे यहाँ पे क्या है, ओके इफ taxable value is greater than 2,50,000 then bracket open, taxable value minus 2,50,000 into 0.05%. Last condition, if my taxable value is less than 2,50,000, then zero. My tax amount will be zero. That's it. Bracket close. Here you can see 12,700. यहाँ पे इनकम टैक्स, यहाँ पे इनकम टैक्स देख सकते हो। यहाँ पे मैंने 5 लाख डाला, आप देख सकते हो पूरा जीरो आ गया। 5,10,000 डाला, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे 14,500 और 13,500 एंड सेस यहाँ पे आ गया है। I have given here formula also, if it is less than or equal to 12,500 then पूरा rebate, full rebate, otherwise zero rebate. Okay, this is the calculation. Okay, if I want 10,50,000, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो 44,200 का डिफरेंस है। ओके, here I have given a formula for second thing. Here you can see the second one, IFS formula. If it is greater than 15 lakh, my taxable value minus 15 lakh into 30% plus 1,87,500. If my taxable value is greater than 12,50,000, then my taxable minus 12,50,000 into 25% plus 1,25,000. Third one, if my taxable value is greater than 10 lakh, then taxable value minus 10 lakh into 20% plus 75,000. If my taxable value is greater than 7,50,000, then my taxable value minus 7,50,000 into 15% plus 37,500. Greater than 5 lakh, then minus 5 lakh into 10% plus 12,500. Greater than 2,50,000, then 2 lakh taxable minus 2,50,000 into 5%. Less than 2,50,001, then it is zero. That's it. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे मैंने 20 लाख डाला। ओके, 78,000 का फर्क है। 25 लाख में भी 78,000, ये मैक्सिमम लिमिट हो गई थी। 78,000 का ही फर्क दिखेगा। यहाँ पे आप कंपेयर भी कर सकते हो। यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, मैं यहाँ पे कंपेयर भी कर सकता हूँ। 30 लाख, here you can see 7,41,000 and 6,63,000, 78,000 का difference है, the benefit. You can compare here also, just that I am showing this just to confirm my formula is correct or not, is it working properly or not, that's why I am showing you the comparison. Okay, मैं यहाँ पे 30 लाख के बदले 10,50,000 डालता हूँ, 10,50,000 and यहाँ पे भी चेंज करता हूँ। 44,200 is the benefit. Okay, 1,32,600 old, new regime it is 88,400. Here you can see, here you can see the magic over here. Everyone, please let me know, hit comment, are you liking this IFS function? Were you using IFS function till now, how it is useful? And I would like you to practice it right now, IFS function. Nested if will work instead of IFS function, but it is very confusing. And how many nested if you will use? You have to, for 10 condition for this new tax regime, there are 10 conditions, 10 बार थोड़ी nested if लगाते बैठोगे. It just imagine how big will be the formula. It is old technique. Nested if in IFS function is very wonderful and very fast to use. You have to just give the condition, that's it. Logical test, yes or no. IFS is simple than nested if. Thank you. By Bayan. Correct. It is return time. And again, Saurabh, thank you. Gayatri is asking, does the same thing work with if function? No, it will not work with if function, because if function has only limitation, only two conditions can be used. In IFS function, multiple conditions can be used. I would like you to practice right now. Please practice right now. I will wait for 5 minutes. Very important function, very important feature. IFS function is available only with Excel 2019 or higher versions. Handouts, Bhavika, you will get the handouts in the handouts download session. Okay, it is there in GoToWebinar. आप check कर सकते हो. It is available for download. You can download it from there. Also, I have shared the same into our WhatsApp group also. Yogesh is telling that it's a good function. Thank you, Yogesh. Much easier than, Amit is telling that it is much easier than if nested if. Correct. It is very much easier, very easy to use IFS function. Within a seconds you can use this. These are some hidden functions which are not known to all of you. Remarks is same. Okay, Yogesh is asking me, please explain the remarks option. Okay, remarks is same as IFS function. If your grade is A, then it will be exceptional. If your grade is B, then best. If your grade is C, then better, good, bad, very bad. That's it. Please try. I will wait for last 1 minute now. Okay, so the next function I'm going to with the next function right now. Everyone with me with 100% attention over here. Next function मैं यहाँ पे जाने वाला हूँ. Okay. This is known as navigation. Navigation is something which you want to navigate from one sheet to another sheet. Okay, ये last वाली sheet है. यहाँ पे आपको कुछ काम करना है. Okay, this is the table. मैं यहाँ पे table को कुछ नाम दे सकता हूँ. I can give the name for this table also. Okay, मैं यहाँ पे इसको नाम दे देता हूँ last underscore sheet. Okay, and this navigation I will give some name to this also. Second underscore sheet. Okay, what if we want to navigate from this? बहुत बड़ी working रहती है. हमको क्या है, कभी कभी we want to see that sheet also and this sheet also frequently. It is very big working. Then just you can navigate from there to here. Here you can see I'm just navigating from there to here. You have just given the name, okay, and then you can navigate from here to there and there to here. That is very easy. Okay. Now what if I want, this is IFS function and I want to give the name over here. Okay, मैं इसको naming देता हूँ old underscore tax and here I will give it as a name new underscore tax. The names are given like this. Okay, now I'll go to another sheet. Okay, यहाँ पे I will just type old underscore tax, that's it, and new underscore tax, that's it. Whatever is been written there, it will be shifted over here also. 1,27,000 and 85,000. Okay, यहाँ पे मैं कुछ लिखता हूँ, it doesn't matter what I write over here. Okay, because it is capturing the name only, that is capturing the name only, old tax and new tax. Okay, I can navigate like this: old tax, I can new tax, then table underscore 1 to second sheet, last sheet. Like this I can navigate. It is very useful when you are using a very big size working and there are lots of lot of problems over there, and if you want to use it, is very useful for such type of workings. Suppose I want to delete the navigations also, I can go to formula bar. Under formula bar there is an option known as a name manager. Under name manager, here you can see मैंने इतने सारे अलग अलग names दिए थे, and you can delete the names also. Okay, suppose I want to give delete this name, I can, and this is useful when you want to edit or delete anything. This is Canada, delete here. You can try this. Okay, I will wait for 1 minute. You can try this. You can try this right now. How to do navigations, name manager. You can edit the name managers also. You can navigate from one sheet to another sheet. Last sheet. This is new sheet. Okay, someone is asking me to explain it again. Okay, I want to this macros वाला sheet I am giving this name as macros. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, आप edit कर सकते हो, you can give any name. Macros I have given the name. Okay, now this name is defined, already defined. I want to navigate from last sheet to macros, and from macros to new tags to old tags, whatever name has been defined. You can define any names. I can define this table as some ifs. Some ifs I can define. I can after defining the name, you can navigate from some ifs. This I will define it again, some ifs. So I can navigate from here to macros to last sheet to new tags to old tags, some if, like this you can navigate. You should try it right now. I will wait for. So it is not stop. I am here only. Amol is asking where is the video is stop, no audio. It is not stop. I am here only. I have just kept quiet so that you are practicing. You can remove also. Satish is asking me how to remove. I can go to name manager and I can remove also. Here we can delete also. Okay, so we are going with to the next round, that is if or functions. Everyone with me with 100% attention over here. Everyone with me with 100% attention over here. I am going to the next feature. Okay, if and or. Okay, so I am taking the example of these are the employees of Best Films Limited. Okay, Best Films Limited के सारे employees है Salman Khan, Katrina Kaif, Hrithik Roshan and Kriti Sanon. These are the 4 employees of Best Films Limited. Okay, here I have now I will teach you how to give if with or with if with and with and or both with if, nesting, and everything will be taught into this session. For next half an hour you have to pay with 100% concentration over here, no disturbance in between. Okay, very useful, very powerful function. Okay, the first function I will these are the employees of Best Films Limited: Salman Khan, Katrina Kaif, Hrithik Roshan and Kriti Sanon. These are the sales target which are given to them: quarter 1 sales, quarter 2 sales. Okay, quarter 2 sales, quarter 3 sales and quarter 4 sales. These are the sales targets which are given to them. इन्होंने इतने सारे सेल्स लाए थे फॉर कंपनी. ओके, फॉर कंपनी दे हैव bought this all sales. Salman Khan is total for all the quarters. Okay, so company has a condition that they will pay out the commission. Okay, company will give a commission if these conditions are satisfied. First condition is quarter 1 or 2 sales. Okay, quarter 1 or 2 sales is greater than 3 lakh, or quarter 3 and quarter 4 sales is greater than 2,80,000, or all quarter sales are greater than 5 lakh. If any one of the condition is satisfied of these 3 conditions, okay, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3 conditions. Okay, then the commission will be 10% of the sales amount. Okay, so यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो. For now I will hide these two. Okay, we are only talking about the or function. Okay, quarter 1 and quarter 2 sales is greater than 3 lakh, or quarter 3 and 4 is greater than 2,80,000, or all quarter sales are greater than 5 lakh, then commission is 10%. Otherwise it is no commission. Okay, I will write a formula over here. Or quarter 1 plus quarter 2, I will give this a bracket, is greater than 3 lakh. This is logical test 1. Second logical test 2, quarter 3 plus quarter 4 sale is greater than 2,80,000. This is logical test 2. Now I will give logical test 4. All quarter sales greater than 5 lakh. Logical test 2, logical test 3, logical test 4. Okay, bracket close. Here you can see I am copy and paste. If any one condition is satisfied, there is a commission of 10% of sales amount. Okay, so this was the condition satisfied, this was the satisfied, but false. ये कैटरीना कैफ को क्या हो गया भैया, इसका क्यों नहीं हो रहा है कैटरीना कैफ का? ओके, 3 लाख के नीचे, yes, it is less than 3 lakh. Quarter 3 and quarter 4, it is less than 2,80,000. yes, it is less than, and all quarter sales is also false. Okay, this is false. Okay, now I will give a nested if formula. मुझे if formula nesting करना है. Okay, nesting करना है तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से स्टार्ट करूंगा. If this whole test is true, then 10% commission. If false, any numerical you don't have to give into inverted commas. Other than numerical, if it is alphabetical, then you have to give in inverted commas. If not, then no commission. Here you can see we have completed first step. It is commission of 10%, commission of 10%, and here there is no commission for Katrina Kaif. Okay, this was first logical test which we have done. Now I will go with a second one, which is AND function. AND function के लिए जाता हूँ. And right now please forget this OR wala condition. Now you have to concentrate only on AND condition. Okay. Okay, then what is the AND condition? If quarter 2 and quarter 3, if quarter 1 and quarter 2 greater than 2 lakhs, okay, quarter 1 and quarter 2 greater than 2 lakhs, okay, then and all quarter sales greater than 5 lakh, then only commission of 15%. Both should be and, it is and condition. If it is and, then you have to follow, okay, it should not be either or, it should be both in conjunction with each other. Okay, here you can see and quarter 1 quarter 2 greater than 2 lakh. I will type formula over here. And what is your logical test 1? Quarter 1 plus quarter 2 greater than 2 lakh. Logical test 2, all quarter sales greater than 5 lakh. I will just copy and paste. First true, पहले दो false है, सलमान खान एंड कैटरीना कैफ का नहीं हुआ, ऋतिक रोशन कृति सेनन का हो गया, it is true. Okay, after that I will do nesting of if formula. Okay, if this is all true, then the commission will be 15%. If false, then no commission in double inverted commas. I will just copy and paste. Here you can see for both, for first both Salman Khan and Katrina Kaif, both के लिए it is no, and after that it is 15% for both the cases. This was something about AND function. Now I will be taking the last function, which is OR and if. All three all together मैं सब कुछ लेने वाला हूँ. It will include OR and if. All three nesting, two nesting at a time. Nesting of formula also I will show you, and how it works parallelly also I can show you. First I will use AND. Quarter 1 is greater than 2 lakh or quarter 3 is greater than 1 lakh. ये दोनों में से कोई भी एक कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई हो गई, okay, then and condition I will use it, all quarter sales 4,30,000, and if it is yes, then commission will be 14%. Okay, first I will use OR. Quarter 1 sales is greater than 2 lakh. Logical test 2, quarter 3 sales is greater than 1 lakh. After that I will use nesting and this is logical test 1, which we have already defined. Second logical test is all quarter sales greater than 4,30,000. Bracket close. Okay. False, false, true, true. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो true and true आया for Katrina Kaif and Hrithik Roshan. Okay. Again we have to do one more nesting, that is if function. If we will do nesting, if it is all correct, if it is true, then what? Then commission will be 14%. Any numerical you don't want, you have to give into inverted commas, and not, then no commission. These are the four conditions which you can use. This was something which you can use, and if or along with nesting. Very important function, very useful function, very powerful function. Trust me, बहुत बार use होगा ये. I use these functions many a times. Everyone has to try right now. I will wait for next 10 minutes. You have to try it right now. Repeat the or function. Okay, here you can see it is a simple or function. You have to just give conditions and comma. For every logical test you have to give condition true or false. Excel will tell you, and that is nesting we have to do. If the nesting is done, then we can understand whether it is correct or not. If correct, then 15% commission. If not, then no commission. Hope you all are able to manage it. I will wait for more 5 minutes. Please practice it right now. Poonam is telling me that it is very good function. Trust me, it is a very good function and very easy to use. I will wait for more five minutes. Please practice right now. Yogesh is telling it a very useful function, very wonderful function. Thank you. He is able to manage it. Everyone with me with 100% attention over here. We are going to the next function known as IFS function. Everyone with me with 110% attention over here. Okay, so यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो there is a month, there is item number, and there is amount also. Okay, what if I want the total of September and item 4? September and item 4 total I want, that is 140. What is the shortcut for that? Earlier we used to use if only some if function. There is a new function that is some IFS wherein both condition can be given. In some if function only one condition we used to give. Okay, there was no option that wherein we can give only one condition or two conditions. Okay, in some IFS we are able to give two conditions, 3, 4, 5 and number of conditions. Okay, here you can see in some if function, first month we have to give. After that month there is a criteria. Okay, first we have to select month, then criteria. Okay, and then total amount. Sum if function, this is old function which we used to do. Okay, first we have to give the criteria. Sorry, first we have to select the range. Second criteria is September. We want the total of September, comma, some range we have to select. That's it, bracket close. That is 250. We can check also. We can check, okay, by give filter. For September, it is 250. Yeah, it is correct. So for September, it is 250. Similarly, there is one more new feature, new function that is known as sum IFS function. Okay, ये वाला जो था ये sum if था, and this is sum IFS. Sum if and sum IFS. Okay. In sum IFS, you have to select the month from table. After that, you have to select sum IFS. You have to first select some range, comma, criteria range 1. Criteria range 1 is month. We want month also, comma, and compare with September, comma. What is your criteria range 2? Item, and compare with item 4. Here you can see we have selected 140. You can compare also. First we have to select September. After that we have to select item 4, and here you can see 140 is the total. Okay, so it's matching. Repeating again, repeating some IFS formula. Okay, in some IFS formula you can give multiple conditions. या तो मैंने दो condition दी थी. You can give multiple conditions. Some IFS. First we have to select some range, comma, criteria range 1, comma, with compare with September, comma, criteria range 2, item number, comma, compare with item 4. That's it. Here you can see item 4. Everyone has to practice right now. I will wait for next 2 to 3 minutes. Are you all able to read? Someone is asking me to please repeat again. Okay, I will be repeating again. Sum IFS formula, sum range, I have to give the full sum range, comma, criteria range 1 will be January, comma, compare with September, comma, your criteria range 2 will be item, comma, compare with item number 4. That's it. Wait for another, I will wait for another 2 minutes. Please practice right now.
Vaibhav sir? Hello, Vaibhav sir?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
कुछ प्रॉब्लम सर?
नहीं प्रैक्टिस के लिए मैंने टाइम दिया उनको.
ओके 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 थैंक यू.
Okay, so we will go for next function, next important function. We are going right now. Real-time web data diffraction. Okay, real-time currency. Although tomorrow, okay, all of you guys, please listen properly. Tomorrow I am taking Power Pivot and Power Query, one of the very powerful functions. Okay, by the name itself you can understand how powerful it is. So please don't miss tomorrow's session. It is very much important, a very advanced function. I am going to take Power Pivot and Power Query. So today, now the next feature, the next function which I will be taking right now is something which is related to Power Query. Okay, so मैं यहाँ पे एक नया शीट ओपन करता हूँ. ओके, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो वेब करेंसी, रियल टाइम करेंसी डेटा रिफ्लेक्शन. If I go to Google and okay, and I currency live data. X rates. Okay, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो currency rates table. Also I can show you. This is the rates table. Okay, suppose I want to extract this. I want to link this into uh, the Power Query window, and I want to link the whole data into my Excel sheet. What is the shortcut for that? Okay, rather than I will use the word what is the linking feature. How can we link through Power Query? You cannot just copy and paste. Okay, I have there is a option in Power Query where you can link. Okay, I will just press Control C. I will go to the Excel. In Insert tab, sorry, in Data tab, there is an option that Power Query option. Data from web we have to select from web. It is the query and connections which we are connecting our Excel with the website link which I am pasting right now. I have to just Control V. I have to just press Control V over here. That's it. And press OK. Enter. Here you can see Excel is showing me three types of tables. One is the यहाँ पे एक छोटा टेबल एक बड़ा टेबल था. So let me take the bigger table, that is table number 1, and I will just tomorrow I will show you in detail what is Power Query, but right now you have to just understand how to get with the live currency data into Excel. I have to press here just load. Okay, so after loading the data, here you can see there is a option wherein we can give a refresh also. A refresh option is also there. We can right click and refresh also. My queries will refresh the thing, and whatever backend is there, okay, यहाँ पे जो कुछ भी change हो रहा है live data में, here it will get changed over here also. Also I can, here there is a option as refresh connection properties. You can refresh every 1 minute also. Minimum 1 minute पकड़ता है, उसके नीचे नहीं जाता है. Minimum 1 minute you can refresh. This is auto refresh. Okay, if you give this command, automatically your Excel workbook will start refreshing. Automatically it will start refreshing. To repeat the whole exercise again, okay, I am repeating the whole exercise once more time. Power Query. Power Query is something detail I am taking tomorrow, okay, but this is just an introduction. Okay, I will have to get data from web. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो from file. There are various options, okay, from other sources also, from Azure, from database, etc. I have to get data from web. एंड यहाँ पे जस्ट लिंक पेस्ट कर रहा हूँ मैंने यहाँ पे कंट्रोल सी किया था और यहाँ पे कंट्रोल वी किया हूँ. That's it. I have to just press enter. Okay. Here it is table 1. Table 1, it has been shown over here. You have to just load over here. After loading, here you can see where live currency data has been reflected over here. So Anupam is asking me, does NSE BSE provide real-time data of stock prices? Yes, you can do that also. Tomorrow I will be taking NSE BSE data and everything. It will be shown you, explained you in detail how to extract NSE BSE data. Let me take a call. Okay, two of them are telling to please repeat. Two of them are telling that to repeat the if and or function. Anyone else you want to repeat? If I get 10 plus calls, then I will repeat the function. Okay. Anyone wants to repeat or and if and IFS function? If I get 10 plus calls, then I will repeat it again. सब लोग अलग अलग बोल रहे हैं. रिपीट करेंसी ऑप्शन कोई बोल रहा है, नेविगेशन ऑप्शन रिपीट करो. Someone are telling no repeat required. Okay. Let me do one thing to okay, I understand and understand what you all mean to say. First I will take macros. मैं last वाला function macros खत्म करता हूँ. After that I will again repeat if and IFS and navigation भी repeat करता हूँ. Will that be fine for all of you? I will first finish up the macros function, which is the last one. After that I will repeat if and or, and after that I will repeat navigations also. Perfect. Chalo. So the last function, आज का last function में start करने वाला हूँ, that is macros. One of the wonderful function, one of the powerful function. Okay, macros is something which is been used many a times when you want to automate anything. It is specifically used when you want to automate some functions. Okay, repetitive functions here, macros. Remember one thing, when we are using macros, the first and foremost thing is that you have to be very much accurate when you are recording the steps. Any mistake while recording the steps, then your macros will not work properly. Okay. So here, before I start a macros function, you have to add a developer option. A developer option is a adding function. Okay. When you go to the more commands, मैं यहाँ पे more commands custom ribbon में जाता हूँ जब मैं. Okay. When you go to the more commands and in customs ribbon, you have to add, यहाँ पे आप add कर दो. मैंने already add कर चुका हूँ developer option. Okay. You have to add a developer option. I will wait for a minute for you all to add a developer option. It is available in customs ribbon option. Here you can go, the steps are, you can go to file. Under file there is options, and under options there is a custom ribbon. Under custom ribbon you have to add developer option. Developer. Satish has already done developer option, waiting for others to reply. Have you managed to add developer option? Added by Anupam Gupta. कितने लोग आज है? 89, 90 people are there attending the session. Cool, perfect. So I got the reply. Now I can proceed. Okay. मैं यहाँ पे मैक्रोस में ये वाला जो था, ओके, तो मैं इसको पहले कॉपी कर लेता हूँ आगे. Test 11. I will give the name as test 11. I am testing this for the 11th time. Okay. So I have given the name as test 11. Now, in developer option, when you go to the developer option, there is an option known as record macros. Whenever I press record macros, here you can give the name as a macro name you can give. what is the macro name? I want to give test underscore 11. Okay, what is the shortcut you want to create for macros? Okay, shortcut I can create is M, control shift M. Okay, description to automate GSTR1. Everyone here, as you are from CA fraternity, okay, GSTR1, we have got the sales register, and every time we get sales register from our client on month-on-month basis, we want to automate the sales register in the GSTR1 format, whatever format we need for GSTR1, we want to automate that thing. For that, we are doing this exercise. As soon as I press OK, immediately my Excel will start recording. Okay, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो stop recording वाला option आ रहा है. So while recording, you have to be very much alert and कोई भी mistake नहीं करनी है. Okay. Now step by step, I'm working right now. Please pay 110% attention over here. Okay. First thing, I'm bringing the cursor over here and I'm giving a gross total formula. Gross total formula. Control C and Control V is the gross total formula. Okay. After that, one more column I'm inserting right now, that is known as remarks column. Okay. Under remarks column, I will give filter. Okay. Under filter option, here you can see I can first give filter to blank one of SGST and give a remark of within or outside state. This is outside state. Outside state sales. I will just Control C and Control V the option. Okay. After that, I can give the another option. Another option is I can just select blanks. Okay. Under blanks, it is within state sales. Okay. After that, I will remove filter. After removing filter, let me do alignment. Alignment का shortcut मैंने बोला था Alt H O I. Alt H O I. Okay. After that, I will give border also. Alt H B A is I am giving the borders. Okay. मैं यहाँ पे bold करता हूँ इसको. Bold करने के बाद I will change the color also. I am changing color. Okay. My favorite color, blue color, and font size will be white color. Bold में. Okay. I want to give total formula also. Total के अंदर I want to give total formula also. Okay. After that मैं इसको पूरा वापस alignment करता हूँ. Okay. And I want to expand these columns थोड़ा सा. Okay. And the last one I want to give bold also because it is total. I want to bold it. Okay. That's it. Perfectly हो गया पूरा. Now I can go to developer option and stop recording. Stop recording हो गया. That's it. अभी आप देख सकते हो records के अंदर यहाँ पे trial underscore 11 already आ गया है. Step info में जाता हूँ ना मैं step infos में. Here you can see यहाँ पे पूरा macros जितना भी पूरा मैंने steps follow किए थे वो सारे steps यहाँ पे available हो गए. Every step is available right now. Jalay, for macros, I have shared one more another sheet. You have to open that sheet. Same sheet में open data नहीं है. Another sheet मैंने share किया है. You have to open that sheet. Okay. So test 11 मेरा हो गया. Now let me show you. मैं यहाँ पे इसको whether it works or not. I want to check whether it is working or not. This was the raw data. Okay. This was the raw data. Again, I want to run macros on this data. I will go to macros and I want to run this. Okay. This is test number 11. Okay. I want to just run it. I am pressing run. You can see whether it is working or not. Here you can see within a seconds, within a 1 second भी नहीं लगा रहेगा. Here you can see आपका 10 मिनट का काम 1 सेकंड में हो गया. This is the magic of macros. This is the power of macros. You can do n number of things within 1 second. 1 second भी नहीं लगा. Anyone want to ask any queries about macros, I will although I will repeat it again, मैं पूरा वापस repeat करने वाला हूँ. Don't have to worry, I will be repeating it again. I have shared macro sheet. I have shared macro sheet. On WhatsApp, I have shared the macro sheet. Satish is asking me what is the use of macros. The use of macros is you want to automate the workings, okay? The same repetition working jidhar jidhar hote hai, you can use macros and save your time. A 10 minutes work is done in 1 second. In handouts, I guess only one sheet can be shared, another sheet cannot be shared. So you can refer from WhatsApp group. I have shared right now. Girish Mittal, you can message me on individual. I will add you to WhatsApp group. For the macros, I will repeat full function again. You don't have to worry. मैं पूरा repeat करने वाला हूँ वापस. Please wait for a minute. I will be repeating the whole macros again. Whole macros. Okay, repeating everyone with me with 100% attention over here. I am repeating the whole macros 11. Okay, मैं इसका नाम देता हूँ test_12. Okay, I am repeating the whole macros again. Okay, first and foremost thing you want to do, record macros. I will give the name as test_12. Okay, यहाँ पे description देता हूँ मैं automation for GSTR1 and I will just press OK. Okay, so my recording has been started now and I am working it right now. Please pay 100% attention. First, I will give gross total. Okay, मैं totaling का formula देता हूँ. I will just copy and paste it. Okay, after that, after the recording, in recording is still now going on. After that, I want to give remarks option. Remarks option देने के बाद I will just press filter. After that, blanks वाले जो है, that is outside state sale, outside state sales. I will just control C and control V. Okay. Again मैं filter लगाता हूँ. Again मैं filter लगाता हूँ. Blanks जो है, मैं इसको rename करता हूँ within state sales. Okay, renaming हो गया. After that, I want to just give total value. Total value दे देता हूँ. Total लिख देता हूँ यहाँ पे. Okay. Now I will do some formatting. after doing formatting, I want to increase the space of these columns. Okay, मैं पूरा alignment कर देता हूँ. Alt HBA is for alignment. Okay, I will give bold also. Bold color भी change करता हूँ. That's it. मेरा ये फॉर्म बन गया है. Okay, मुझे यहाँ पे bold भी करना है. I have done approximately 20-25 steps मैंने किया अभी. It hardly took me 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. The next thing which I have to do is go to developer option and stop recording. Stop recording करना है. That's it. Now I will run these macros. I want to run these macros. If I run macros इधर मतलब यहाँ पे test_12 है, उसको मैं run करता हूँ. Here you can see it took within a minute, within a second हो गया यहाँ पे. Within a second all macros has been done properly. Please let me know your personal experiences, how thankful you are, how useful you think the macros are, and whether it will save time or not, how much time it will be saved in your working for your work related matters. Extremely useful, yes. Developer, you have to activate from files and options. Will macros understand logic? I will show you how to change steps. Okay, everyone with me with 100% attention over here. मैं जब macros में जाता हूँ यहाँ पे, मैं ये macros में जाने के बाद यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो step infos है. यहाँ पे step info जो है, here you can see थोड़ा थोड़ा. Although I am not from engineering, मैं computer engineer नहीं हूँ. I am not a software developer. This is VBA. I am not that much well versed with VBA, but समझता है, थोड़ा थोड़ा समझता है. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे color दिया था मैंने, line style दिया था, okay, shading दिया था, and then मैंने selection किया था. उसके बाद whatever I have done यहाँ पे जो है selection total row, यहाँ पे जो कुछ भी रेंज L14 से मैंने सिलेक्ट किया था, एंड रो सिलेक्ट किया था, H3. थोड़ा बहुत आपको लाइन रोज ऐड करना है तो आपको यहाँ पे यू कैन एडिट आल्सो 15 to 15 रोज एडिट कर सकते हो. देयर आर मेनी थिंग्स व्हिच कैन बी डन ओवर हियर. एंड यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक बार आपको सेव यहाँ पे जो है फाइल में जाके सेव सेक्शन फॉर मैक्रोस करना है. दैट्स इट. एंड देन यू कैन क्लोज फ्रॉम हियर. हियर इट इज द मैजिक ऑफ मैक्रोस. Very useful. Different data, yes, you can do it. Vasanthi is asking me, can we use macros for different data in number of views? Yes, different data, but the all rows and columns length भी change हो सकती है. But you have to understand कि it is sales register only, and rows अगर बढ़ते हैं, then you can go to the steps info and just you can edit the row. H13 है तो उसको M13 कर सकते हो. That's it. No, you cannot do undo. After running macros, you cannot do undo. There is not an option for that. Okay. So now I'm repeating after macros तो हो गया यहाँ पे. Okay. Now I will repeat again if and or function. If and or बहुत जनों को problem था. I am repeating if and or function again. Here you can see these are the Best Film Limited के जो ये 4 employees है. First condition और वाला I am taking. Quarter 1 and Quarter 2 sales are greater than 3 lakh. Quarter 3 and Quarter 4 are greater than 2,80,000, or all quarter sales are greater than 5 lakh. Or condition है Quarter 1, Quarter 2, Quarter 3, Quarter 4 or all. Then if either or means तीनों में से एक भी satisfy होगा, then the commission is 10%. Now I am writing here or condition. Now actually it's asking me logical test 1. What is your logical test 1? My logical test 1 is my Quarter 1 plus Quarter 2 sales is greater than, इसको और एक ब्रैकेट देता हूं मैं, is greater than 3 lakh. This was my logical test 1, comma. What is your logical test 2? Quarter 3 bracket open, Quarter 3 plus Quarter 4 sales is greater than 2,80,000. This was my logical test 2, comma. What is your logical test 3? Your all quarter sales should be greater than 5 lakh. All quarter sales is greater than 5 lakh. This was your logical test 4 bracket, logical test 3 bracket close. That's it. You can just copy and paste. Here you can see true and false. Only Katrina Kaif का नहीं है, बाकी सबका true है. Okay. Now so if an or function जो है, or function मैंने यहाँ पे use कर लिया. Now I want to do nesting with if function. I have to do nesting with if function. If the full logical test is, if the full logical test is correct, then comma, then what should be value if true? See, Excel is asking me value if true, then what should be the case? If it is true, then 10%, comma. If it is false, then what? No commission. Here you can see no commission. This was something I have explained about the or function. और function सबको समझा? Anyone has any queries about or function? Do anyone want me to repeat and function? Anyone want me to repeat and function, or should I proceed with navigations for the repetition? Okay, so I will go with the navigations. Okay, but now I will be repeating with the navigations function. Navigation is something which you can navigate from one sheet to another sheet. Okay, let me first delete the earlier navigation formulas में जाके name manager में जाके delete the all navigations delete कर देता हूँ पहले. Okay, I have deleted all functions यहाँ पे. Okay, so मैं इसको ये वाले को I can define any name all. Okay, so I want to define name for this B5 वाला जो सेल है मैं इसको define करता हूँ old underscore tax. एंड C5 वाला जो सेल है उसको मैं डिफाइन करता हूँ new_tax। एंड ये वाला जो टेबल है मैं पूरे टेबल को एक साथ डिफाइन करता हूँ table_1। table_10 मैं डिफाइन करता हूँ इसको। and I want to define this also, and I have defined these three वाला दो तीन केस मैंने डिफाइन किए। okay, now I can navigate to old tax, new tax, table 1, table 2, table 3, table 4, table 10। when there are n number of sheets है तो मैं कहाँ पे भी कौन सा भी डिफाइन कर सकता हूँ। ओके, सो table 10 मैंने यहाँ पे किया तो आप ये देख सकते हो मैंने यहाँ पे पूरा टेबल भी कॉपी पेस्ट कर सकता हूँ। ओके, so suppose I am in new sheet। okay, this is something I am in new sheet and I want to just write table 10। okay, here you can see पूरा कैसे डिफाइन होता है। यहाँ पे पूरा का पूरा टेबल यहाँ पे आ गया, पूरा का पूरा टेबल यहाँ पे आ गया। this is something which can be done from navigation। any doubts, any queries more to solve? किसी के और कोई डाउट्स है? ऑलमोस्ट 3-4 बार मैंने आज रिपीट किया है। Sunita is telling our formulas of today were too good। एडवांस लुकअप कल ही मैंने ले लिया था। ओके, एडवांस लुकअप आई विल टेल यू ऑन कॉल। आज का कोई रिपीट, यू वांट मी टू रिपीट एनी फॉर्मूला फ्रॉम टुडे? या भाई बैटरी चालू ही है अभी, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। It copies formula also। Some IFS I will repeat। okay, IFS function I will repeat। यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो IFS, if my IFS formula logical test 1, if B2 is greater than 89% then grade A, B2 is greater than 79% then grade B, comma B2 is greater than 69% then grade C। जो भी मैं ग्रेड डाल रहा हूँ it will be into double inverted commas। okay, B2 is greater than 59 then grade D, B2 is greater than 49% then it is grade E, and B2 is greater than 0% then it is grade F। very easy to use IFS function। before leaving I want to ask you what आज का सेशन कैसा था? हाउ वाज योर टुडेज डे? प्लीज लेट मी नो एंड व्हिच वाज योर फेवरेट फंक्शन? आर यू एंजॉयिंग, आर यू लविंग द सेशंस? प्लीज गिव मी योर फीडबैक, लेट मी नो कैसा लग रहा है आपको। हाउ आर यू लर्निंग मोर एक्सेल, मोर न्यू फंक्शंस, न्यू फीचर्स? प्लीज लेट मी नो, हिट कमेंट राइट नाउ। very useful, today's session is nice, amazing function or an IFS good learning, some IFS and IFS। Amit Jain, thank you Amit Jain। Chandrasekhar, the session is enjoyed a lot, macros learning advantage, useful, great learning by Prasanna, Vivek, Ranga, Amit Jain, Anupam Gupta, awesome session so far, very helpful, thank you by Anupam Gupta, Amol Parekh, thanks for the session। Ravin Kakkar is also telling okay how to copy table using navigation। teachers is asking how to copy table with navigation। navigation सिर्फ टेबल का नाम दे दो एंड किधर भी जाके इज इक्वल टू करके टेबल का नेम दे दो, दैट्स इट। We have to practice macros. Yeah, please practice every day. So my number is so my number is 9561118844. Uh, of the मुझे आप hi भेजिए. I will add you to WhatsApp group. So this macros जो power query वाला जो function है, that I will be taking tomorrow also. Tomorrow मैं पूरा power query detail में लेने वाला हूँ. Power query tomorrow I will be taking in detail. Money, Sunil is asking me money in Excel. Money in Excel is launched in India, but still the banks have not accepted that. तो money in Excel यहाँ पे इंडिया के बैंक्स के साथ अभी तक merge नहीं हुआ है. So no use of teaching you money in Excel. We are getting command in Excel. Thank you very much, sir. By Ranga. Thank you so much, sir. Okay, thank you very much. Thanks for your time. Have a great evening. A very happy Republic Day to all of you. Uh, and enjoy your day. Thank you so much. My number is 956 111 8844.